I first saw this idea with Becky Murphy. She uses these appointment partners or clock partners really well in her classroom, and it saves her time. It saves students anxiety. It makes sure every single person has a partner. So these are just kind of I will statements. So for students, when they're working with their appointment partner, they'll be able to focus, they'll make smarter choices, they're careful listeners, they'll be more patient. And so again, you can just kind of go over these like I will, like what you're going to be expected to do with your partner. So that way students know it's a safe place to share and it's okay to agree and disagree, but you have to do it politely. So just going over those behavior expectations can really help set the tone for these appointment partners. And again, I love these appointment partners because you are able to quickly do partner work pretty quickly. And students can see multiple different partners within a class period. So it's a great strategy to add to your classroom. So when you first introduce this, you will just first have students have different partners. So you'll say, okay, your 12 o'clock appointment partner is this, or your 12 o'clock appointment is this person. And then students can type their names in if you want to do a digital version. I've also seen this on paper. So if it's on paper, you'll want to get rid of those names and just have your students write in who their appointment partner is for that time. So again, at the beginning, it does take a lot of setup, and you can kind of say, find someone who is wearing a red hoodie or something like that, and then that would be the partner, or find someone who has the same birthday month as you. So really good idea to kind of do maybe back to school type get together to set these up. So again, you'll just kind of have students again find partners, and they have all of these amazing different partners all ready to go, 12 of them. This is just another version. Students would just type in the names around this clock or write them. And it's just another, again, version. I would just pick one of these. They're just two different designs, but you only need one. And what I love, what Becky does is we'll be doing an activity together, and I'm able to just say, okay, find your 4 o'clock appointment partner. If they're absent, come see me. And usually it's like one or two students. Okay, now you're partners. So if they're absent, they might join a group of three, or they might just become partners with someone else whose partner is absent. But again, it just makes it quick and easy for students to find partners. It takes like 30 seconds or less once you get this set up and going. Students are really able to focus in on, okay, this is my person that I'm going to be working with today or for this activity. And we did an activity, it's called Popcorn Predictions, where students had to have 4 different partners. So we were able to just say, find your 1 o'clock, find your 5, 6, 11. We picked 4 different random numbers, and that's who students worked with. It was quick, it was easy. And so I highly, highly suggest these appointment partners. And again, you can choose which template you want to use. And you can decide as your class what your I will statements will be for those partner work. And it could change depending on the activity. Can't wait to see how you use this in your classroom.